please enjoy but do not climb. This is the Rooftop Terrace rock garden. Look at these tiny little babies here. Sedum. Lots of little things. I'm really into the ground cover. We have some creeping Jenny and some sedum at our house. This guy up here is called a... Oh, this is the ginkgo biloba plant right here. Wow.
Strollers this way. You want to follow me?
That's a ginkgo biloba. If you need some brain supplements. Yeah, you need some brain supplements right there. Isn't that what it's for? Your brain?
Ginkgo biloba?
Ginkgo biloba. It's for not having night terrors, maybe?
I think it's for focus.
For focus, okay. What is this thing called? This is called the... Oh, this is another yucca or yucca, whatever you call it. It looks dangerous.
I like that
So-
one, Don Quixote's spear.
Dangerous. You liked it because it stabbed me.
Don Quixote's
Look, I like these little tiny ones.
Don Quixote's lance.
This is the quadricolor agave. Look how little it is. It's so cute. Some little cacti.
Hey, honey, step out of the garden.
It's a cactus that's gonna hurt you.
Yeah. Are you okay? Did it bite you?
There's only one way to learn, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. I'm really into these tiny agaves. They're cute. What you got over here? What's it called? The Regina? It's gorgeous.
It's all like
Look, this
symmetric-
one's
sacred
blooming. You
Look,
see how-
sacred geometry.
Beautiful, yes. Why don't you show me that one? I could just see the plant. See how this one's blooming?
Yep.
Look at these. We've got some of those in our yard.
That one's called the mosaic melody.
Uh-huh. I bet if you touch it, you'll let out a mosaic melody. Don't touch it. You're going to get hurt. Just like, learn like that little boy did over there when you touch things. That hurts.
Did the little boy catch one?
Yes, but he's a child.
Better watch out. They got music. playing
You
over there.
are an adult.
It's not awful, they make a lot of noise so you can't hear that. Jimmy Buffett playing that'll censor
Is
the
it
video.
Jimmy Buffett?
Yeah.
Wow. No Jimmy Buffett allowed at the Arboretum.
Oh, that's perfect.
Look at all these pups. These are pups. If you take one of these tiny little pups off right here, what happens?
You can plant it.
You can win it and you can have a baby.
We have that kind of.
We do. Those are
Cactus.
Nepali paddle cactuses. Cacti. I think it's cacti.
It's pretty cool. You just lay it down in the dirt and
Yep.
it grows.
It does just grow. What are those called?
The Chick Charms Giant Copper Canyon.
Oh, okay. Anyway, here's another one. This is the bellflower Hesperalo, Mexican native, also blooming. So once again, we've been at the J.W. Raulston Arboretum. J.C. Raulston. In Cary.
No, we're in Raleigh.
Oh, we're in Raleigh. My goodness, I don't even know where we're at anymore. We've seen too many flowers.
Like,
We're-
you can't hear it right here, but 440 is like right there.
Rooftop garden. Drew likes this thing. What's this thing called?
That?
Yeah.
The palmetto?
No, that was a yucca, remember?
That's a Yucca Thompsoniana.
It's a yucca.
I I like this one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. What's that one called?
Chrysanthemum.
It's the chrysanthemum. All right, let's get out of here. I'm starving.